A one-day workshop Vartalab was held at Raj Bhavan, Shillong, focusing on AI, media laws, ethics, and centrally sponsored schemes in Meghalaya. Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, addressing as chief guest, stressed the need to boost agriculture, health, education, and skill development while noting both the opportunities and challenges of AI. He said centrally sponsored schemes are bringing positive changes to Meghalaya.
Today, the media plays a vital role between the government and the people. With rapid growth in the digital technology, the responsibility to share the accurate and ethical information is greater than ever. At the same time, use of artificial intelligence is also growing, which offers both opportunities and challenges. It can support governance, education, and healthcare, but also raises the issue of misinformation, privacy, and ethics. I am glad that experts and panel members will guide everyone on these important matters today. To the students here, I would like to say, use your knowledge of media, law and technology, not only for careers, but also for the service of society and the nation. I also thank media people who are present here. You play a special role in highlighting the voices, concerns, and the aspirations of the common man.
Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdor highlighted the importance of correct communication to avoid confusion. She cited PM Abhim's impact on healthcare and the 2.5 lakh beneficiaries of PM Kisan in Meghalaya, while cautioning that AI could also be a dangerous tool. The workshop, organized by PIB Shillong with NEHU and state departments, included sessions on AI readiness, media laws, and a panel discussions with journalists, academics, and police officials. Certificates were awarded to participants.
In the recent years, we've seen a transformation in the methods and manner in which the DIPR is communicating and sending out information. We are very grateful to the Press Information Bureau because a lot of the information that is to be disseminated to the public is routed through the PIB. And I hope that the PIB does verify its facts before publication of information. Very, very important, Mr. Yadav, that we communicate the correct information. Very often, we have seen that due to the misrepresentation of facts, a lot of confusion arises, and this confusion sometimes disadvantages information. You correctly said, Mr. Yadav, I'm also from the media background. I understand the value of information. We are grateful that through all the line departments, Government of Meghalaya is slowly achieving its results. By 2032, we target to be one of the most forward states in this nation. The PMJ, Meghalaya now has over 5.5 lakh beneficiaries. This is the cashless healthcare at empaneled hospital. Out of pocket expenses is a main reason for denial of health to the public. The PM Abhim, as I told you, now we have state-of-the-art centers from critical care blocks to actual presentation of health workers to assist especially women, pregnant women and infants. Our Honorable Chief Minister has been able to address the problem of rise of MMR and IMR in the state of Meghalaya, Today we are better placed, and we attempt to achieve a national average very shortly. We are also very fortunate that the Agriculture Department particularly has benefited greatly from Government of India intervention. We are now covering 2.5 lakh farmers in Meghalaya under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, and we expect to increase coverages for every farmers across the state of Meghalaya, being the predominant economic source for farmers. And yes, the vital role of the media in the modern generation is very, very important. Fighting social media, which is very, very threatening. Sometimes the word AI, artificial intelligence, can also be a very dangerous weapon. But we hope that we will be dealing with artificial intelligence in the right perspective, not allowing it to progress to artificially intelligent mode and medium.